welcome to channel Vijaya Bodhana. Today we're gonna learn a Python pattern program. So here we can see the pattern. So all stars are printed in right angle triangle without any space or nothing. So all stars are printed in uh, right angle triangle. Yes. Uh, Let us see how it's look. So here is our program. Sorry, program not pattern, guys. So here rows and columns according to user input. Our pattern is printed like this. So now we're gonna see the program, guys. So for that I'm writing in Python. So for uh, so we should accept some. At first we should accept input now from the user. So for that I'm gonna take uh, n equals to info input of, so enter a number here, enter enter a number. Yes, so this is n value from the user, so we took n value from the user. So now let us understand how the pattern is be. So here we saw uh, so here one star for depending upon the rows and columns the stars are increasing. So for that we're gonna write two methods are there, guys. First method I'm gonna teach you. For in the first method we can take multiple for loops. So for I in range, for I in range of n, for I in range of n. So this is for row, guys. Yes, so n rows should be printed. So here column is must for loop, guys. We should print. Yes. uh, this for I, the first for loop is for rows. Now we're gonna take second for loop as for column. For that, for j in range, so here what we should give, guys, now for j in range I plus 1, because here again, here we can observe the row value, the column value is depends upon row. So column value is increasing, guys. So here first in row 0, here nothing is printed in column, so we can see score. For first row one column is printed, for column in the sense here star. For second row two stars are printed. For third row, so here stars depends upon row. So that's why I plus 1 increasing now. So star is increasing for every I the value. So I want to put I plus 1. So this is for column, guys. Again now, so again we forgot to put column here, column in must for loop. So at last we're gonna print the pattern. So this is for pattern. We have to print stars now. For that, print star space default line space, you are going to give n. And now now uh, for print, after printing stars, so we have to leave one line default line. So that for that this print is come. So this is our one of the method, guys. So we should now here we use it two for loops. we're gonna execute this program. Yes. Guys, so this is our program. Mm, Now this is one of the method, guys. Now let us see another method, that is method 2. Method 2. So this is now we used before we used two for loops. This method is for using only one for loop. How we can print using one for loop? Let us watch. For I in range. So here for I'm taking only rows, not columns, because let us consider not the 1, 2, 3 and 4 guys, 4 rows guys. So here for first row 1 star, second row 2 stars, third row 3 stars, fourth row 4 stars are printing, right? So for that star values so star in the sense n value is increasing, so n plus 1. So here I wrote n plus 1. So now we're gonna print uh, stars. We're gonna print stars, yes, and we have to print plus I, because we have to give here plus I, because I value is increasing now, so that's why we have to put here I. So this is our second for guys. So here column depends upon the rows. Simply column depends upon rows. For one row, first row for 1 star, second row for 2 stars. Please, forgot this guys. Here take this as for take this as 1. Take this take this as 1, 2, 3, like that. So here row for 1 row 1 star, 2 row second row 2 stars. So here stars are increasing. So here for better let us execute. Number should give 6. So here for in the second we got the same output as first. So why using single for loop and double for loop? Because in any campus recruitment test they will consider the less code, less memory and less time taken. So for that better understanding and for that better performance, single line for loop is used. So method 2 is more efficient than above. Thank you guys. If you like this program, please hit like button and do subscribe. Thank you guys.